This print is called Mameshibori. Look at all these beautiful colors with circles all over. Mame means pea or beans in Japanese. And shibori is the ancient technique of tie-dyeing. Artisans work with their hands and tie little fabric and wrap it with the thread. And they dye it and create a beautiful pattern. So when you look at the traditional Wagara Mameshibori, you always see circles because it was wrapped with thread. And so inspired by those tiny circles, I created this pattern. By now, you probably know that I love bright colors and I love something vibrant. And so using the traditional Mameshibori technique, which you always see in the tenugui fabric, it's just one color against a field of whiteness. But here, I want to bring all these colors that I love, and I created this pattern.